Come here, honey. Come here. I know. I know. Uh-huh. I know, honey. We'll make it through. I know. We'll make it through. Uh-huh. Yes. We'll make it through, Soph. I'm not going to say his name because that would really mess you up. Aren't you tired of looking? You've been running through the house for quite a while. Aren't you tired? Aren't you tired? Sophie. I know, baby. Sophie. Sophie. Aren't you beautiful? Yeah, you're beautiful and sad. I understand, baby. Yeah. I understand, honey. You're so pretty. I know you loved him. You still do, huh? Sophie, you're going to be okay? Yeah, you're going to be okay, aren't you, baby? Okay, let me take care of Sophie. How about we just take care of each other?